Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Identify the temporary fix and note when it was applied and by whom. Record the exact symptoms and list downstream services impacted by the quick fix. Measure the scope of impact and estimate affected systems as a percentage to prioritize work. Gather logs, screenshots, and error codes for future reference. Set a 48-hour or 7-day review window depending on criticality and allocate owner responsibility. Confirm backups exist before making any removal attempts. Create a rollback plan with steps, timelines, and a communication channel. Define success criteria and clear test cases to validate behavior after removal. Schedule removal in a low-impact window like 02, 00 to 04, 00, or a weekend slot. Ensure backups and restore points exist at least 24 hours before removal to enable quick recovery. Assign an owner and a small team with access credentials and escalation contacts. Perform removal following the plan and follow tests step by step. Run automated and manual tests for at least 30 minutes after change to validate all paths. Monitor system metrics and error logs closely during an initial 24-hour observation period. Revert using the rollback plan if error rates rise above 5% or if functional tests fail. Communicate status updates every 30 minutes while executing the change. After stability, document the permanent fix and close the temporary fix record.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.